Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and take a look at our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a absolutely gorgeous 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner, true RM Roadrunner car, guys. 5,000 miles on a complete body-up restoration, and I'm telling you, gorgeous car. Original California car. We've got the window sticker, original window sticker, and owner's manuals for the car. Matching numbers, 33, factory 4-speed car as well. Gorgeous car. I mean, as we walk around, I hope you get a real appreciation for this car. This car is outstanding, man. Whoever did this car did a great job. Again, good solid straight California body on it. It's finished in vitamin C orange. No, that's not the original color for it. It's got the blacked out black vinyl top, factory black vinyl interior, and it's got the blacked out hood treatment on it. 15-inch chrome magnums all the way around it. Goodyear Eagle rubber. Killer car. Of course, this is the first year for the Roadrunner. I love these cars. I like the little circular marker lights on them. But great car. Again, original RM car, and it is a matching numbers car. It's got the VIN is stamped on the back of the block. Gorgeous paint. It looks like most of this trim is actually original. Definitely replaced the bumpers. Sorry, it's just a little... Again, slick vitamin C orange paint. Just a really nice car, guys, and hits the road good. It's pretty much bone stock, so I can't say it's super fast or anything like that, but you want to talk about a nice running and driving car, man. This is just a little sweetheart. Vinyl top's in great shape. You can see how nice that back window is. This car is nice. Look how nice that tail panel is on that car. Oop. It's just a little dust if you see that, guys. Again, nice and straight down the sides. It's got the 15x8 Magnums there on the right. I think actually 15x8's all the way around it. Again, gorgeous paint. Nice car, man. You crawl underneath it, it's nice underneath. Floors are clean. Beautiful set of Magnums. See, that's just a bug, guys. Yeah, I like this car a lot, man. This car is slick, and it just jumps out at you with this color. Again, matching numbers, 33 car, factory 4-speed car. Edelbrock 4-barrel, stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds. You can see it's got the Mopar radiator in it. Not a ton of options. Manual steering, manual brakes. The way these 4-speed cars came was your original trim tag. They have upgraded it to electronic ignition. Pretty car. Here's your fender tag. That's just a little dust if you see it, guys. Nice car. And like I say, it really hits the road. I mean, this thing drives out outstanding. 68 running birds are pretty cool. Again, it's original VIN and everything still intact. Original RM car. Yeah, we got a little bullseye there in our windshield. Well, that's a nice car. I'm gonna pick the A-pillar trim a little bit, but pretty doggone nice. Factory mirror. Those door handles have definitely been replaced. You can tell they've replaced all that in there. Doors are nice and clean. Again, it's got your factory black vinyl interior. Again, California car, so it's got your California VIN certification to let you know that the VINs have been certified on the car. Factory bench seat, 4-speed car. It's got the Hurst floor shifter. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Steering wheel's nice. Factory dash, 5636. That's on your resto. You can tell that dash is original. It's got an aftermarket Sun Pro tach. AM radio, but it's got an aftermarket mounted underneath. Factory Hurst shifter. I know your little reverse light still works. Your parking brake works. Dual exhaust, 8 3/4, not a big gear. It's like a 323. Again, here's your original window sticker. Of course, there's your Roadrunner ad. The original owner's manuals are in the glove box. Factory jack was spare. If you want me to nitpick something, this should be body color in here, but they did a beautiful job in here. This is nice, what they did with that spackle coat. Very nicely done. Beautiful car. The car's very nice underneath. Got underneath it, got some pictures for you. How nice those doors are. It's just, like I say, just a good car. Seats are nice. That dash is nice. Again, the gauges are nice and clean. The heater is not hooked up. I do know that, guys. We see that a lot from the southern states and western cars. Little Chrysler insignia still on your glass. It's got great sound. Like I say, just a great car, man. I mean, just runs and drives excellent. Slick paint. Tach works, gauges all work. Again, your little reverse light works in there on the dash. Hopefully you can see all these lights. Everything back here works. That sun's right behind me and stuff. Even the backup lights work on this car. I don't know if you can see them. They are on. The car's got good sound. And Jordy's got your reverse light on, radio works. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. Have a great day, guys.